All right, geometry, it's Mr. Lamb again. Here is video number 3, which is page 3, questions 8, 9, and 10. And the first question says, find the area of the triangle. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Now I need to find a base and a height. And it is a triangle. So the best thing to do is I like to take a highlighter and I like to wrap this thing in a rectangle. So how high does this triangle go? It goes that high. How low does it go? It goes all the way down to point C. How far left does it go? It goes all the way over here to point B. And how far right does it go? It goes over here to point C. I like to build this little rectangle here. And this rectangle is going to be my base and my height. So my base is the distance of this rectangle. So this distance across the top, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units across. How far down? 1, 2, 3. It is 4 units down. So this rectangle has an area of 1/2. The base is 5 times the height is 4. 5 times 4 is 20, and half of 20 is 10 units squared. So finding the area of a triangle, super, super easy, as long as you know 1/2 base times height. All right, question number 9 says find the perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the outside. So I need to find all of these distances. So first distance I will find, I guess, is A to B. I'm going to find AB. It is going to be the square root of, what are my legs? It goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It goes over 1, 2. So 6 squared is 36. 2 squared is 4. 36 plus 4 is radical 40. So that is the square root of 40, which is about 6.5, something like that. The next segment, I've went from A to B. Now I'm going to go from B to C. All right, so from B to C, I have to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 squared is 36. 8 squared is 64. 36 plus 64 is 100. And the square root of 100 is 10. That one was nice. All right, from C to D. Going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Going over 2. So from C to D is 12 squared is 144. 2 squared is 4. Add them together, and that is the square root of 148, which is not nice. It's 12 point something. And the last distance is the distance from D to A. And this one's easy because it's horizontal. So I just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8. So this distance here is 8. All right, find the perimeter. I am going to take the square root of 40, 10, the square root of 148, and 8. And I'm going to add them all up. I'm just going to add. And when you add them all up, you'll get a decimal, 36.49, and then I think there are some zeros in there, something like that. So just over 36 units to get around that quadrilateral, 36.49. All right, last one on this page is question number 10. If AB has the endpoints of -5, 9, and 13, 3, what would be the slope of a line that is parallel to AB? So I'm going to be looking for a parallel slope. And I'll be looking for a perpendicular slope. So the other thing was perpendicular slope. All right. The first thing is I should probably find the slope of what's given. And I know the formula for slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so y2, that's my y value is 9, minus my y value is 3. So 9 minus 3 on the top. And then my x values are negative 5 and 13, so negative 5 minus 13 on the bottom. Well, 9 minus 3 is 6. Negative 5 minus 13 is negative 18. Reduce that fraction, it will reduce to negative 1/3. So the question asks for two things. It says, what is the parallel slope, or the slope of a line that is parallel to this line? Parallel slopes have the same slope, so it would be negative 1/3. A perpendicular slope will be the opposite reciprocal, so the opposite of negative is positive, and the reciprocal of 1/3 is 3/1. So one of them has to be the same in order to be parallel. The other one is the opposite reciprocal. A little bit quicker on page 3. And in the last video, we'll cover the last 3 questions, and that will be video 4.